Number 7 is Lilium Jet. It is a VTOL electric jet aircraft developed by German startup company Lilium. The test flight occurred in May 2019. It uses the company's own proprietary ducted electric factory thruster technology. The integration of 36 electrical jet engines into the wing flap improves aerodynamic efficiency. It has a top cruising speed of 160 knots and an operational range of 160 nautical miles. It is capable of traveling much further than most of its competitors. This is due to the fixed wing design of the aircraft. The jet expects to fly in various cities around the globe by 2025. However, trials will begin earlier in several yet-to-be-revealed locations.